Hello, hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to be looking at this Black & Decker random orbital sander. This is a budget sander that I've just purchased. Picked this up for just a little over £30, around about £31 UK pounds, so it's definitely a budget sander. Now in the box you've got the dust collection, that's a bayonet type fitting, and that just slides over the O-ring and clips into position. So you've got the hook and loop type sanding discs. Now Black & Decker very generously supplied one disc in there, which is a 120 grade disc. I think really they should supply the 3 discs, the coarse, the medium and the fine grades, especially as these are aimed at the DIY market, just to give people an idea of what sort of grit they're going to need for their projects. So yeah, that would have been a good idea. Comes with a 2-year warranty, which is another thing that kind of swung it in my favour. Now you've no variable speed control on this model. You've just got this on-off switch on the top there, and this revs out at 14,000 RPM. It's 230 watt, so that is your single speed. Now as with these hook and loop, this is fairly easy to fit. Just make sure you line the holes up on the pad. Spend a little bit of time just getting those right, because these are for your dust collection. Just make sure that's on. I'll just give it a tap down, and that's all good and ready to go. Now as regards the lead, we've got roughly there, I'll say about 2 meters of lead, so you've got quite a lot of lead. A lot of time it'll save a use of an extension lead, which is a good thing. So there, we'll give you a little demonstration. We'll use this 120 grit, and I've got a coarser grit as well. I'll try a 40 on it just to show you how it performs. So I've just swapped the disc there for the 40 grade, the coarse grit. Dust mask on, and we'll just give this a run. Hopefully the camera should pick that up. You can see that's our 40 grade grit, coarse grit, and that has done a really good job. And we'll swap that over now. We'll put the 120 on and just give that a test run. Dust mask back on. That has put a really good finish on there. That 120 grade has really polished that post up. Because bearing in mind this is an old tannalised post, rough sawn post. You can see the original grain there. So I've been running for a few minutes. We'll just see how much dust that's collected. You can see there's a bit of dust all around the machine there, so that's not collected all the dust like a lot of these sanders. You never collect 100% of the dust. You're far better just hooking them up to a shop vac, especially for any length of time. But we'll just take that bag off and we'll see what dust it has collected. Give that a tap out. Surprisingly more dust than I expected, and that is still coming out. You can see that's collected quite a bit of dust. For a £30 sander, I'm not going to complain. If it lasts anywhere near the 2 years, if I get the 2 years out of it, with it being under warranty for 2 years, I'll be very pleased with that. Only time will tell. I'll keep you all updated on it, just to let you know how it does perform, if we get any issues at all. If you've got one of these, or you're thinking about getting one of these, if any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Very interesting to hear from you, how you've gone on with the sander. And as always, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Take care, and I'll also see you on the next one.